I'm on the speed. Listen up. Got the rollie outside with gun.
Shorty must have heard, got the word up on that D. Headed by a bladder, she like, oh, I gotta pee. What's up? I think I just blew up my engine, y'all. Nah, I ain't blowing my engine because we still moving. Nah, we moving. I ain't blowing nothing. But I gotta pull over. I'm taking the next exit. I'm calling it quits. Oh my God, we're in there. Yo. I'm feeling both. Ah! Oh my God. Yo. Yeah! That's the first time y'all really hear me talk, but like I usually be quiet, but like I'll be having mad fun, bro. I think I blew up my, like, yo, bro, I think we're cooked, bro. We're cooked. The car is done.